Hi, today I'm gonna teach you guys some tutorial, a simple one that is simply beautiful, that gonna help you to make simple slide for your presentation. Okay, for example, here I want to change the background. Okay, you can simply click here, change background. Instead, you can also click slide and change background. It's still the same. Okay, you can choose image. You can use any source that you want to insert your background photos. For example, I want to upload it from my computer. Okay, I want this one. Okay, and then after that I can choose either want to add to theme or not. If I add to theme, for example, I want to add to theme. Okay, click done. So if I add to theme, if I want to add a new slide, it's already used the same background, so I don't have to use it. I don't have to do the procedure twice. Okay, for example, this time I want to insert a chart. For example, I want to insert line chart. Okay, to edit this chart, we can click here and it will link to a spreadsheet. As we can see, the data is not our data. So for example, I want to use this data, so just copy it, just copy and paste it here. As we can see, the data is already changed. Okay, so as you can see, this graph is, you want to make it more beautiful, so you can click here, edit chart, and here you can customize and set up the data. Okay, for example, I want to customize the data to make it smooth, and I want to make the background is none, so I want to make it transparent. Okay, and we can also set a theme. I want to use this theme. Okay, other than that, I can also pick the chart title. I want to set as achievement for 4 years, and I want to make it as this font, and the size is 16. No, I want the size is 24, and I want it to be bold and at the center. Okay, I want the text color is black. Okay, so it will be, then the title is there, so we can also adjust the format of the series. It's about the lines. Okay, so for theme 1, here I can set any color, for example purple. Okay, the opacity, the thickness. Okay, if you want to show the points clearly, you can make, but not me, so I'm gonna click none here. Okay, for theme 2, I'm gonna pick green color, so you can see there, and that's it. For legend, I'm gonna adjust the position at bottom, so it will be bold, so more clearer. I don't want it to be black, I'm gonna make it gray. I want its size is bigger, so I can see it clearer. I can also make the horizontal line font be bold Okay, now I see it more clearer. For the vertical axis, as you can see, it's not bold here because it's not very clear. So here click show axis line and bold. Okay, now it's beautiful already. Okay, let's look at our slide here. Okay, you see update, you can update it, and there we go. Beautiful. Okay, other than that, I would like to insert some chart, for example column chart this time. Okay, here we need to open the spreadsheet first. Okay, this is the data that have been done. Okay, for example, I want to add another period. I just can insert here period 3, and then for example I want data about 76 here, 59 here, and 84, and this here is 27. Okay, but this graph already have only two period, right? So we can edit it here. Okay, see, add setup. Okay, add series, for example period 3, and there we go. Okay, because if you see here, the range data is from A1 to E50, so means that if we add another period, it will be automatically include. But if in F, so you need to, if you edit a data at F, you need to edit this thing. Okay, if you want to customize, you can customize it. For example, background color, so I want to put it as slide, so I want to be transparent. Theme, I want this theme. Okay, I want to be a 3D, and then I want the chart to be at the center and bold, and also the font color is, I want to have purple. Okay, and after that I want to change the series. For example, period 1, I can change it into line color yellow, red. Okay, so it can already change the fill color also. I can make it as purple. Okay, and so on the others. Okay, for the legend, I can also make it at the left, but I much prefer it on the bottom, and I'm gonna make it font as this font in bold to make it more clear and increase the size. Okay, no, too big. How about 60? Okay, perfect. The font, I don't want to be black, I want it to be gray. Okay, horizontal like this is quite blurry, so I want to bold it, and when the text color, I'm going to make it black. And for vertical axis, I'm going to show that vertical axis and bold it to make it more clearer. And this font is fine. Okay, after that, the grid. Okay, nothing. Okay, I don't want to edit anything from here. You can make a minor grid. Okay, but I don't want to just use magic grid because it's easier to analysis. Okay, here click update. So there we go, our graph here. If it's too big, you can resize it and put it center here. Okay, and that's it.